Ready to share your awesome Kahoot quizzes with the world and become a Kahoot superstar? First, log into your Kahoot account and find the Kahoot you want to make public. It's probably lurking amongst your other amazing creations. Click on the three dots, also known as the ellipsis, on the Kahoot thumbnail. This opens up a menu of options. Select Edit from the drop-down menu. This will take you into the Kahoot editor where the magic happens. Now, look for the Settings tab, usually at the top of the editor. Click on it. Scroll down until you see the Visibility section. Here's the key. Right now it's set to Private. Click the toggle switch to change it to Public. Boom! Your Kahoot is now ready for the world. Take a moment to fill out all those other settings: a good description, intended audience, and relevant tags. The more info you provide, the easier it is for others to find your masterpiece. Finally, click the Save button. This saves all your changes, including making your Kahoot public. Now anyone can search for and play your Kahoot. Share the link and watch the engagement soar. That's it. Get ready to inspire and entertain with your newly public Kahoot quiz. Have fun.